Stripe or Woocommerce payment gateway. Both are the big name when it comes to accepting payment online, but which one is actually better for your business, and which one give you the more money and give you the more freedom, and also which makes running your business easier? Well, let's break it down step by step. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simpler for your business and help you to grow faster. If that sounds good to you, don't forget to subscribe and also check the link in the description for the special offers. Now let's jump in. So first, let's talk about who are these tools made for. Now start with the Stripe. Stripe is a payment gateway. It's built for business that want flexibility, global reach, and a lot of developer control. If you sell online and you want to accept payments in different countries and different currencies, Stripe gives you that power. Now, on the other hand, we have the Woocommerce payment, and this one is actually powered by Stripe, but it's made especially for Woocommerce store. It's more beginner friendly and it's directly inside your WordPress dashboard. So if you don't want to touch the complex setting or deal with outside integration, Woocommerce payment can feel much easier. So yeah, Stripe is a full control and global setting, but Woocommerce payments is for WordPress store and who just want things to work smoothly. Now let's talk about the fees and the pricing. Stripe charges around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the US, and international fees are a little higher. Other side, Woocommerce payment charges almost the same because it's built in Stripe. But the main difference is with Woocommerce payment, everything is managed inside your store dashboard. You don't have to log into Stripe separately. So the final verdict is price is almost the same. The real difference is the convenience. Now let's talk about the features. Stripe gives you advanced tools like subscription billing, invoicing, and fraud detection, and even the API integration for custom workflow. It's very powerful, but it can feel too advanced if you are just starting. Other side, Woocommerce payment, which is Woopayment, it is simpler, but you can do refunds, manage payouts, and check transaction without leaving your WordPress dashboard. But you don't get the full set of feature that Stripe offers directly. So if you want the advanced tool and the global reach, then Stripe wins. But if you just want a simplicity for your Woocommerce store, then Woocommerce payment is the easier choice for you. Now Stripe is best if you want the flexibility, international selling, and advanced payment features. Woocommerce payment is best if you just want easy setup, simple management, and everything inside your Woocommerce dashboard. So yeah, if you are scaling a big online business, go with Stripe. But if you are just starting out with Woocommerce payment will keep things stress-free. So this was the video for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.